Get 1 year of Adobe Photoshop Premium absolutely free, with no payment and no card details? Let me show you how. Open any browser on your system. Once it opens, and in the search bar, type Chrome Web Store. It opens the official Chrome Web Store website. Here, you'll see a search box. There, type Adobe Photoshop. You will see an official Photoshop-related extension. Now just click on Add to Chrome. The moment it gets added, a pop-up will appear saying, Start your free year of Photoshop Web. Just click on it. It will automatically redirect you to Adobe's official website. There, click on Start Now. It will ask you to sign in. You can log in using your existing Google or email ID, or you can create a new one, your choice. And boom! Your 1-year Photoshop Premium membership is successfully activated with premium AI tools, completely free. No bank details, no subscriptions, no hidden charges. Just free access, safe and official. For more hacks, subscribe to Tech Simplify.